It's so freaking boring, honestly. It is so boring. There's like a quote that I read. It says, appreciate the boredom. Like, there's something special about boredom, being bored. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just want to be, I just want to lay, I don't know. I'm asking God to, where I'm gonna go, Lord, where I'm gonna go today. It's Sunday. I'm supposed to like go to church, but I don't want to go. And I'm gonna watch a sermons on YouTube, 2819, and it's like 4 weeks, 3 weeks, me not go to church, or maybe more than 3 weeks, because I don't know, I hate crowded. Not literally I hate it, but I don't know, I just don't like going to church. But I know I should go because that's the will of Jesus Christ for me, for us as Christian. So I don't know. I don't know, Lord. I just want to lay and just want to watch a preach and sermons. And I don't know what I'm going to do, guys. But I want a record of the reality of being bored. Of the reality of me. My reality of, I don't know. Because a lot of you guys thinking that, oh, she do this. I don't like, I don't want to be fake on social media to like, I'm gonna show them my happiest moment, or like, no, I'm not. I don't want to be fake. Like, I'm gonna show you guys my reality of like, sometimes I do feel boredom, and I don't want to do anything. And tomorrow it's Monday. I have a school. So look at my place, my camera place now. I'm so sorry, cause sorry for my camera, but whatever. I don't care. And yes, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna wear my leggings. I'm gonna change my underwear because my underwear right now is freaking not slimless. Because whenever I'm wearing leggings, like slim pants, slim, I need to wear slim underwear, or else it's like gonna be bad. Then I don't know. I don't like underwear where whenever you wear like slim pants, and it's like gonna be visible. I hate that. So I'm just gonna put some concealer on so I can cover that mascara, whatever is that. Sorry for my blush. I really hate this. Oh my. Okay, I'm just gonna use my freaking finger and It's you guys can even see. I don't want to do this thing. Okay. This is it. Just gonna go and I don't know. I'm just gonna change. I don't want to go outside. Ah, that is freaking rude. That is freaking rude. I didn't put any contour on my face. But we need powder so we can have less oil on my face. Today I'm just gonna go and have two-body picture. I hate it. Because why do I need to do that? Of course I need to. It's my obligation for my school information and stuff. We have an ID though, and why you can like, oh my gosh. And yes, I'm gonna go for life. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some concealer on so I can cover that mascara, whatever it is that. I'm gonna get my 2x2 picture. And it's so freaking hot in the Philippines, honestly. I hate it. I freaking hate it. And I feel like I'm gonna bake cookies and gonna watch a movie. No, I just wanna cry. Honestly, I just wanna cry. Because I don't know. Sometimes you wanna freaking cry, but you don't know what's the reason why you're crying or like why you wanna cry. Because sometimes you wanna really do it and do freaking it. Like just freaking cry. Even if there's no reason, you're not gonna be less if you're gonna cry with no reason. Like just do it. We're human beings. Like sometimes there's just stuff that we don't know why we're crying, but we're human beings. We don't know. We're not gonna figure it out always. So
we went to the grocery store and we bought some things to bake because we're gonna bake. I'm gonna bake s'mores today, and we went to 7-Eleven and we bought some ice cream. So yes,
Sa 7-Eleven lang dito sa part ng 7 ng Fiesta. Ng Fiesta yung mayroong gantong flavor. Kasi parang naubos na ata.
patay mo na yan. Huwag ka mo ang cellphone ko pa. So, we're gonna bake. Ang init! Hindi na bang problema ng weather sa atin?
Saan ko lalagay ito?
Ano lang? Taas.
Dito?
So boring. We're gonna bake.
I'm doing my best.
So first, I don't know.
Ito guys.
Okay.
First ito.
Wala. Kangkong ang chili ko. Ay, ito may pa. Sabi nila, masama daw gumamit. Huwag mo ubusin yan. Masama daw gumamit. It's bad to use plastic board for cutting vegetables or meat kasi cancerous siya. So, we don't have wooden wood. So, wooden wood, baliw. So, and I got scam, guys, kasi akala ko buy one take one for only 65 pesos. Baka na! Buy two save 10, ate! Anong gagawin mo? So, 120 siya. Pero okay lang, mura na siya. For baking lang siya. Bawal siya pang mga di ba? So, ubusin dito lahat kasi mauubusin ito dito eh. Yung butter na to, guys. Isang araw lang to sa amin. So, today, I'm gonna do bake. Oh my freak.
Nira niya na.
Oh.
Nira niya. Diba?
So,
Ganyan siya mag-bake.
So, So, paano ko makikita yung Sorry. Ay! Kalug, dito maghugas mo na pala ako kamay. Yung nakikita yung parang baba. Uwi na mag-cleanse ko. Tapos, ipapasok.
Ano mo, ginagawa niya. Sinira niya lalo. Diba? Hindi daw siya mabubuhay, tapos sinira niya lalo.
Paano? Ipatong ko na lang lang pa. May idea ko.
Ano naman siya. Pag yung cellphone mo nahulog.
Panis ka, boy!
Pag nahulagos ng aso yan, bahala ka panis din yung cellphone mo. Panis ka talaga.
Ito.
Oo, sige.
Nabasag?
Hindi. Sige. Baliw.
Ano na next?
Tignan mo ginawa niya sa cellphone ko. Pag sa cellphone niya ginawa.
One half.
Nagalit
Ilagay mo
ko.
dito. Dito. Puno dapat. Ayan.
Uy, sakto lang. Sige lang. Uy, sakto lang. Uy, butter. Lagay mo na.
Kailita.
Daming ano eh.
Then, next! Punasan na lang to kang ha.
Yung balon.
Tulungan mo ako maghalo dito mamaya. Then, in a large bowl, white sugar until floppy. O, haluin mo. Okay, go. Haluin mo yan. Go, Yaya. Kaya mo yan.
Ano sabi mo?
So, pakita ko sa'yo. Ang sitwasyon namin ngayong dalawa.
Pakita mo yung cellphone ko. Kung ano yung magandang ginawa mo.
Yan.
Lala.
Hello! Mas maganda na siya, guys. Inayos namin siya. And nabagahan yung fry pan. So, kunin mo na yung air fryer, be. Ilagay mo siya sa may tabi ng saksakan. Ayun.
Makautos ka, alam mo, bahay ko to.
Ay, kunin mo na lang yung pantimbang. Yung pang food. Diyan sa...
Guys,
Ako lang
so
muna.
dapat...
Okay, game.
She was like a blind person now.
Okay. I am the blind one. She's the deaf one. Okay, let's go.
52.
Okay.
50.
Ay,
Galing na kamay ko. Pag yung aso...
kailangan ko
tapakan
ilipat yung
mo.
air fryer sa saksakan.
Ha?
Yung saksakan ng air fryer.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano magagawin mo? Guys, hindi namin naintindihan yung sarili namin.
Ito. Isasaksak ko to dito. Okay na. Okay na. Kahit anong mangyari, huwag ko tatanggalin yan. Okay, ganyan.
Ha?
Okay, let's go! This is quite a...
Nangangapa siya, guys. Oo, sige. Pang tikman mo.
No! Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put here the cookies that I already clean up. Lagay ko siya dito. Here in air fryer. And I don't know, I cannot see anything. I cannot see.
Hindi ko naintindihan sinasabi.
I cannot see.
Hello?
Wala akong makita, kahit isa.
Balik natin. So we're like doing some bunch of stuff right now.
I cannot freaking see. And I need to freaking choose the minute and the
Ha?
Fahrenheit in here.
Ano Fahrenheit?
Yeah. And I cannot see. How can I? And I'm the only one who knows how to freaking work this. Alam ko lang. Ako lang may alam kung paano ito i-work. I cannot see anything, honestly.
Hindi akong manatili hanggang sa iyong pagkala. $180, 17, 16, 15. Ang daya, guys.
Tinignan ko kasi syempre mamamas.
She's cheating. I don't
Oh,
even fear her, pero...
Shut up. Okay. I need to make na.
Guys,
Okay.
ang sarap niya sa kamay, sa totoo lang.
Okay, I cannot even freaking see. How can I freaking make the freaking face noise? Okay, this. Your hair!
$45.5.
Kailangan mo ipaghiwalay-hiwalay. Huwag mo itong gidikit.
Nakausap niya yung deaf. Nakausap niya yung deaf. 53 point.
No! Mura! Okay. I cannot even see anything.
Lalim.
Oh, yeah!
Alam mo Eat man.
Guys, I cannot even see. Yes, I cheated earlier, but...
Uy, nag-cheat siya, guys.
Shut up.
Kanino? Hala!
To everyone? Okay. Can you get me another plate?
Dapat ganito kalaki.
Can you smell this if it's mabaho?
Hindi. Ano meron?
Are you cheating? How can you hear me?
Ha?
How can you hear me?
Saan?
Ano mo naririnig?
Sino? Ha?
Me? How can you freaking hear me?
Ano?
Digi dong.
Tanggal.
Okay, guys. I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah.
Grabing challenge to.
Mas mahirap ito yung akin. I hope it's perfect. It's good. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do. What else? Where's the plate?
Nagawa mo. Nagawa niya. Nalagay niya na yung tinimbang ko.
Do you think it's perfect? Do you think it's perfect? Do you think this is perfect? It's not messy? Is it messy? Is it messy? Hey,
Oh,
is it
ano?
messy? Is this messy?
Hindi, turo mo.
Messy.
Ha?
Messy.
Ha?
Messy. Magulo ba to?
Magulong?
Yeah, ito?
Magulong ito?
Oo. Magulo ito?
Wala namang ano dyan, gulong.
Magulo.
Ha?
Magulo.
Magulong.
Magulo. Shut up! Just don't talk to me.
Magulong! Ano ba sinasabi niya? Magulong?
Magulo. I said magulo.
Perfect siya.
Is it? Is it perfect? Is it?
Umilaw na.
Yeah, it's not done yet.
Ayan.
Okay, can you please stop so the viewers will entertain? It's like, para ma-entertain sila, can you talk to them?
Yes, I would die for... Kanta tayo, guys.
Can you talk to them? Yeah, that's it. Your hair!
Ganun siya ng ganun. Ganun siya ng ganun. Talaga, akala mo naiintindihan ko siya eh.
Na-post ba yung video? Tingnan mo baka na-post ah. I mean, hindi pala naka-play. What are you doing? What are you eating? Don't freaking eat. That's bad. I can hear your voice. Naririnig kita. I'm not even eating. I can freaking hear your voice. The frick. Can you just please lower your voice while you're eating so I'm not like I'm freaking working hard
Yun lang yan,
to mold
guys.
this cookie. Then you're eating.
Ha? 45.5 guys. So, palapit na tayo matapos. Tapos, nagawa mo! Kukunin! Akin yan.
Do you think we're entertaining? Do you think we're like funny guys? Do you think we're funny? Do you think we're divert? What the frick are you saying? What are you saying, bro?
Oh, why can't we
You're
fall? Diba pag kumanta ako, tawa yan.
Let's make some song. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey, we are body. Eh. Whatever.
Ano?
Let's make a song.
Usap, para siyang baliw, no? Kausap siya na kausap sa dep.
Yeah, because I'm because you are the only one who is with me. Like, I'm gonna talk to you obviously because
Can
we need to entertain. We need to entertain.
say what we feel.
Just
Oh,
shut up.
why can't we? Oh, yung daming ano nito, oh. Swerte. Okay na to, last na to. Hindi ko na to titimbangin. Akin na to.
No! No!
Ang dami niya, guys. Ang
No!
dami ng chocolate.
No!
Ayan. 50 na yan. O, 53.5. Okay lang yan. Wala na, last na yan, oh. Walang kasama yan.
Si Jimba! Hinaan mo nga yung tugtog mo.
Ako ba yun?
Sino pala yan?
Ako.
Kasi makaka-copyright ako eh.
Uy. Sige ta.
Okay.
Sige, sa mo, kakain na tayo.
Okay.
Pero kakain talaga ako ng
Nandiyan si Ate Joyce.
Then,
Si Ate Joyce, tsaka si
Then,
Ate
okay.
Geneva.
hey!
Si Moni Chang! Moni
Hey.
Chang!
Hey!
Moni Chang!
Hey!
Bakit?
How can you hear me? Yeah, of course you can.
Hindi ka naman siguro.
You're freaking cheating.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands na. Uhulog yung cellphone
Ako,
ako.
akong plato yan.
Nahulog?
Kain na ako.
O, di ba?
Nahulog?
Oo,
Nabasag?
Hindi. Basag talaga siya.
Okay. Okay, go. Are you guys touching the freaking cookies? I can feel your freaking presence. I swear.
Alol. Alol.
I can feel your presence.
Alol.
Your hands are freaking dirty.
Ito na nakalig si Jill.
Bago na siya. So, hold your hands.
Okay, don't sing a lot because we're gonna makaka-copyright ako.
Yeah. Copyright fragmented. Yeah, she's the copyright fragmented.
Dong digi digi
So,
digi
call you
dong
back.
digi digi digi
So,
dong
in your heart.
digi ding dong.
It's crazy, but it's true.
Don't freaking sing. Kill someone proper.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Watch my life fly.
Naiso ko makata parang mungo. Sabihin ko kayo dito sa live.
Oh, yarn!
Choy, sabihin ko kayo sa live. Sino yung kumakata ba? Mama, yan!
Where they're recorded. How many this? How many? Okay. Kang? 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 Kang?
Who are you? Mag-ipit na tayo ng hair natin. Init.
Nakakapaypay pa. Uy, mo Joyce, ako kasama ni Jill.
Crazy.
Nakapaypay.
Crazy.
Pero wala sa libot niya.
Parang kung may palong.
Papaypay sila, hindi na ilang sa electric fan ko.
Kita ko.
Dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi digi ding dong. Dong digi digi. Ang lambot ha. In fairness.
Hoy! Hey, kumukuha kayo.
Dito na!
Hindi ko na alam saan yung ano dyan, yung 53.5.
Of course, you don't know because you're not freaking reading.
Puro oil na yung kamay niya.
Uwi ba? Uwi?
Oily na yun.
Ganyan yung baba, may ano.
Yan yung
suot mo,
nag-jogging tayo ni Ika.
Ano?
Dahil ka na! Ay, oh! Hindi na naubos na ulit eh, oh. Yung? Yung isda. Ako nga kakain yan. Sabi
Hindi na pala.
Ipilito ko pa yung talong.
Alam naman ito.
Grabe naman. Kailangan ba nasa loob yung marshmallow? Yung iba hindi nasa loob. Ayusin natin.
What? What are
Dang digi 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 dang digi 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 dang digi digi ding.
Shut up!
Dang. Para may bakong music yun.
Sabi ko kay Jill, kanta siya, kumanta siya. Huwag ka na pala kanta, be. Igil mo na yan.
Hindi ko mapasok. Ang laki ng sasabog to.
No, it's not.
Dapat may extra tayo pantakip. Kasi lalaki yung nito. Gusto kong samahan mo ako.
What? Can you just please entertain them?
Ano daw? Yan. Kinukuha natin yung pangtakip dito dun sa isang cookies sa binibilog ni Pang. Kasi nakabukas yung iba talaga.
Because it's too malambot. That's why.
Yan, that's what I'm talking about. Diba guys? Hindi nyo nakikita. Pero nakikita nyo dapat. Ayusin natin mamaya. Hello guys. Taga-fix tayo ng gawa ni Pang kasi hindi niya nakikita. At hindi ko siya naririnig. Sa sign gesture, maintindihan ko po siya.
Sign gesture. Don't
If
cheat.
I love it, it knows as they want. Pipos o pera nakadroga. Toothpaste bago lumabas, ma-aroma. Hey, dancing.
We have a freaking school tomorrow.
Nakabigay. Labi, you just the one. Bibigay niya yung mga classmate niya, guys.
No, I'm not. Not all of them.
Puno na to.
Don't get this.
Palo.
No, get. No, not yet, okay? Not yet. I am the one who's gonna get this thing, okay? Not you, but me. You understand? No. Me.
Ha? No. No, saan?
This. No, don't get this.
Yung trash ban? Trash ban?
This! The freaking cookie.
Ha?
Cookie.
Saan? Her eyes, her eyes. Her hair, her hair. She's so beautiful. I could tell her every day. Ayaw niya mapasok. Eto guys, matatapos na siya, perfect na. Tayo taga-fix ng mga gawa ni Pang na nakikita yung marshmallow. Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Ito, isin natin siya. Dahil last time yung ginawa niya, hindi ganito. Pero, ganito rin. Pero wala siyang biscuit.
Tara na, te. Magprito ka na. Uuwi na din ako.
Hindi pa okay yan. Ang gagawin ko pa.
I'm gonna put the cookies in here.
Ano ka? Ano? Ano nakuha niya? Pauntog ka, Tig.
Spoon.
Ano?
A spoon.
Spoon. Wait. Wala! Ano nangyari sa cookie?
What? Really?
Pumutok yung marshmallow.
Papatuin mo muna, papatuin mo. Matitigas yan.
Oh, huwag ka madaya.
I'm not.
Uy, ano yun?
Sorry.
Ano yun?
Can you wash this?
Spoon.
Oh.
Just the way you... Mapasok ka.
Can I do this?
First step to do this, guys. Dapat malinis ang inyong hands.
Don't give them. Not yet. Don't give them this.
Huh?
No.
Ano?
Don't.
Don't. Kainin. Huwag mo na kainin.
Yeah. Kasi hindi pa siya tuyo.
Okay na. Ito na lang. Ayusin natin.
Pwede ka tikman yung isang cookie mo? No, hindi pa ta pwede.
Kunin ko ng isa.
No.
Yes!
No. Payad muna.
Taste test. Napakasuka sana. Dikit kaya kita.
I'm gonna wash my hands na.
Posibleng nakikita mo, gago, madaya. Kung anong klaseng content yan? Daya.
180, 50.
Daya. Klaseng content yan.
So guys, we're gonna taste this.
Anong klaseng content yan, be? Tikim?
Ang bolo ko dun.
Look.
Sarap ng music, ano ko.
Okay.
Tikim lang.
We're gonna taste this, guys.
Tikim ako nga.
No!
Aba,
Mamaya.
ah.
Okay. Of course! Matakot ako.
Akalin kita.
May
Kalahati lang.
Ayoko, bolo ko dun.
Kalahati lang.
Okay.
Tikim.
Shut up. Okay, look. There's marshmallow inside. And,
Natumal marshmallow.
may pa kasi apa.
Ito daw, guys. Marshmallow. Inside.
Ayoko, wala konti lang.
Pero masarap. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-s'mores. Ano? Gusto ko kasi parang ganito, guys. Diba? Ano masarap?
Amis. Amis, guys.
Coopy fan.
45? Baka voltage 5.
Huh?
Voltage 5.
Guys, so, tapos na kayo bake. Nanood kami ng movie.
Yeah. Ako yung movie, guys.
Ito yung binake namin na cookies. Yung Graham crackers with marshmallow. And this is the result. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Magbabay ka na.
Bye-bye!
Nag-live siya. Follow niyo siya. Follow niyo siya pero hindi ko sabihin sa inyo user niya.
So,
Bye!